Welcome! Are you looking for the best kitchen gadgets? Great! Because we select for you the best kitchen gadgets on Amazon and AliExpress. These amazing kitchen gadgets will save you a lot of time. If you want to buy any, just click on the description link. These gadgets will make you a real master chef. Enjoy the video and thanks for watching.
Rushed mornings don't leave a lot of time for preparing breakfast. That's where the Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker comes in. Now you can make a sandwich with fresh ingredients from home in under 5 minutes. Just choose your favorite bread, then layer on your favorite toppings, cheese, pre-cooked meat, or veggies. Lower the cooking plate and top ring, add an egg, top with the other piece of bread, and close. Set the timer for 4 to 5 minutes, and when you hear a beep, slide the egg cooking plate out and you'll have a perfectly assembled breakfast sandwich. Cleanup is easy. All removable parts can go in the dishwasher, and cooking surfaces are non-stick. A nutritious breakfast is possible with the Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker. Now that's good thinking.
Montessori, we believe that you can live life tastefully. And we believe you can do that and more with our new C700 Pro Professional Blender. Designed with a powerful 1500-watt motor, this blender cuts, crushes, and grinds nuts and produce to the perfect consistency while still retaining all of the vital nutrients. Unlike other blenders, the Montessori Professional Blender comes equipped with a variable speed control to easily whip up culinary creations. No more unnecessary manipulation. You can prepare a wide variety of foods in a 64-ounce container. Beat the summer heat with frosted cakes and fruitful smoothies, creamy milkshakes, and natural sweet sorbets. Skip the stove when preparing warm soups for the cold season. The motor revs up to 30,000 RPM, heating up your ingredients as they blend, so that your soup is ready to serve once the blender stops running. Create healthy nut butters for you and the family to snack on. Your very own spice mix to wow guests at dinner parties.
Some people dirty their air fryers 3 times a day. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Your air fryer should be cleaned after every use, because there are plenty of places for food bits and grease to hang out and get gross. If you neglect to clean it correctly, your air fryer can start to smell, or worse yet, smoke. Here are the 5 things to do to keep it clean. 1. Don't wait. Once you let crispy bits and oil sit in the basket, it can become a nightmare to get out. After using it, unplug the air fryer, let it cool, then wipe out any oil from the drawer. If you used a sticky sauce or marinade, clean the drawer and basket while they're still warm. The mess will be easier to get out. 2. Use warm soapy water as a soft sponge or cloth. For stuck-on food, soak the basket in hot water and dish detergent to loosen it. Then clean it. 3. Use a wooden skewer for baskets with lots of nooks and crannies and any grooves that collect grease. Clean the basket and drawer with soapy water and dry. 4. Now for the inside, where the spattering happens. With the basket out, degunk it using a damp cloth dipped in warm soapy water. Check the heat element for grease or debris and wipe it clean. 5. Wipe the exterior with a damp cloth or sponge, then dry it. If your air fryer has an odor even after cleaning, try soaking the basket for up to an hour. If that doesn't work, rub a half lemon over the basket and drawer, let it sit for 30 minutes, then rewash. To protect non-stick surfaces, never use abrasives like metal utensils or steel wool to clean your air fryer.
Presenting the Simply Calphalon Non-Stick Cookware Collection. This cookware is a great combination of durability, quality, and performance. It's made from hard anodized aluminum that heats quickly and evenly for consistent cooking results, and has comfortable silicone grip handles that stay cool while you're cooking. Simply Calphalon Non-Stick Cookware releases foods easily, so you don't need to add butter or oil, and cleanup is quick. Pans are oven safe to 400 degrees, so you can place pans directly in the oven to finish a recipe or keep foods warm until you're ready to serve. Simply Calphalon Non-Stick Cookware. The long-lasting non-stick surfaces deliver delicious results at every meal. Available in sets and open stock, in-store and online.
Thank you for purchasing Egg Pot. Follow the instructions for perfectly cooked, easily peeled, hard-boiled eggs every time. First, remove the egg pod cover. Fill the included egg pod measuring cup with water to the 50 milliliter line. It is very important that this measurement is accurate to ensure proper cooking of the eggs. Then pour the water into the egg pod. The water line is also marked in 2 places on the egg pod itself if for any reason your measuring cup is not available. Next, place 4 eggs into the egg pod, and then replace the top lid and lock into place using the side snaps. Now place the egg pod into the microwave. Set the timer to 9 minutes at the highest setting and start the microwave. Cooking times may vary based on microwave oven wattage and size of eggs. If eggs are not cooked perfectly, add or subtract cook time in 1-minute increments to find the ideal cook time for your microwave. When finished, open the microwave and allow egg pod to cool for 2 minutes. Place the egg pod in the sink and carefully remove the top. Then run under cold water for 2 minutes. Now replace the lid and lock into place without removing any water, and shake vigorously 10 times. Remove the top and easily remove the eggshells for perfect hard-boiled eggs. To clean your egg pod, first make sure it is cool to the touch and remove the bottom aluminum insert by simply sliding it out. Then remove the top aluminum insert by rotating it counterclockwise and lining up the 3 tabs with the openings to slide it out. Next, wash all parts with warm soapy water, allow to air dry, and reassemble. To reassemble the top aluminum insert, line up the 3 tabs in the openings and turn clockwise to lock.
"50 years ago, we put a man on the moon. Today, we've put chicken inside a waffle. The new Stuffler Stuffed Waffle Maker stuffs waffles with all your favorite foods. One delicious bite for mankind. The new Stuffler by Presto.
results. Calphalon knows that the key is even heat. The new Calphalon Even Sear Multi-Grill delivers 20% more even heat for better searing performance. It has both grill plates and flat plates, easy to change, scratch resistant, and 11 times more durable. It opens 180 degrees for plenty of grilling area, while the floating hinge provides increased versatility, durable metal construction, and even heat for perfect grilling results. Calphalon Appliances.